Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a bike check. Thank you guys so much for 8K, and I said at 8K I was going to be doing a bike check, so thank you guys so much. So first off, we're going to start with my bike. I ride a Killaby 20-inch, which you guys can go get that on Total BMX. So my sprocket is a profile sprocket. I run a 28 tooth profile sprocket. For my rims, I run Alienation black rims. And for my bars, I'm running Total bars. You guys can go get those again on Total BMX. They're black bars. I'm not sure if they're Ghetto Shed, but I think they are. For my cranks, I'm running Profile chrome cranks, 170s. For my stem, I'm running a Madeira stem. I'm pretty sure it's flipped, but I'm not sure. Pretty sure I flipped my stem. Yeah. Okay, so I run a Madeira black flipped stem. For my spokes, I run rainbow tie spokes. For my tires, I run 20-inch Maxxis Grifter tires. I'm pretty sure, I don't know if they're in stock anymore, but I'm pretty sure you can go get those on Dance Comp. I run VP pedals, and for my seat, I run a Killaby seat. And for my bolts, for my front, back bolts, I run tie. I think they're called, I'm trying to think, TLC bolts. I run TLC bolts. And for my spindle, I have a profile spindle, tie spindle. Alright guys, so we're going to go get some clips. I hope you guys enjoyed this bike check. We're going to go get some clips for my whole everything. We're going to get some clips of my pedals, my bike, all that. So, peace out guys. Thank you guys for 8K again.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight.